have 3 slides, so each of our lessons can have one. Good, you actually get to try it out there. I have 2 because
Haley just got done with her Zoom call with her class. How did you like it?
good.
You liked it?
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
how many sight words I did.
She did a lot of sight words today. Lots and lots. And now she's finishing up this homework. This is a picture of you doing what?
Push-ups.
Push-ups.
I can do 15 of them.
She can do 15 push-ups. She has really good form too. Look at these cute kitties taking a little kitty cat nap on Haley's bed. I need to wash her comforter. Aren't they cute, Haley?
Yeah.
We love our fur babies. So I have already made my bed. I try to make that like one of the first things I do in the morning because I just love walking in here and seeing freshly made bed. But I need to put away this laundry today, and I'm going to straighten my hair because I haven't had my hair down in like 4 or 5 days, and I just feel prettier when I'm a little more done up. And I feel more like productive, and I'm in a better mood. I feel like my husband talks to me more. I'm gonna watch this Beverly Hills episode and straighten my hair. Ta-da! Straighten my hair. I have some hair cutting scissors that I need to use because my ends are split. But I don't think I've showed you guys yet. Look at this. It's April 17th and it has been snowing all morning long. What the heck? Like, Michigan is not my favorite state, I'll tell you that. But we have family that we love here, right? So it's worth it.
What?
Whoa! Haley, you want to show them the desk that we're going to move?
Yeah.
You wanna do
This one. This one is what we're moving.
We're moving it out of her closet and downstairs, and this is going to be her schoolwork desk.
So today we're gonna show around my room. Hi. Let me show you around my room. So here's my books, and I love it. Love all my books. Okay, here's my clothes. I love these kind of books. They're so pretty. Okay, here's my necklaces. Ooh, I think the pizza one's my favorite. And these, my sister has this one. My cousin has this one. Look at my choker, by the way. See the choker? Shh, be quiet, the kids. Are them so cute? What? I like to do that. Here's my bed. What the... And here are my keys. My sister always steals them. Okay, I'm keep it there. Okay, here, guess what's in here? Think that was it. Okay, this is my real drawer. Boom. 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 Boom, boom. Bam, bam, boom, boom. Bam, boom, 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 bam. Here you are.
Oh, thank you. You're done vlogging?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. I can't wait to edit that to see what she was talking about. Okay, we got Haley's desk right there. So, right next to mine, so we can get her...
I have to clean my toy house.
Your toy house? What?
My Barbie house.
Your Barbie house. Yes, she wants to move her Barbie house upstairs in her bedroom, which I think is a good idea because she never uses it downstairs because it's in the basement right now. So we're going to try to make that happen today too. Alright, we got Chef Izzy in here making some salmon in the cast iron skillet. How you feel, Izzy?
Scared.
Scared? It's her first time. Now I got Izzy over here cutting up some asparagus, and she's gonna do some instant mashed potatoes. Oh yeah, girl. Haley has got some snow from outside, pretending it's the snow cone. Is it yummy? And I'm over here making a sweet treat for myself. It's unsweetened coconut flakes, almond butter, regular butter, and then I melt the butter and the almond butter together, add the coconut flakes, and then I'm going to put this in the freezer. And it's like a little sweet treat that prevents me from eating all these girls' Easter candy, which I've been really bad about doing here lately. So I usually just dollop little small pieces in here, and then I put a top on it, and then put it, sorry Izzy, anyway, put it in the freezer and let it freeze. Izzy has just served me my lunch. It looks really good, Izzy.
So good.
I'm proud of you. You're gonna eat some too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see your reaction though.
Oh, you want me to try it? Okay, here you go. Okay, I'm gonna try the mashed potatoes first. They're very good.
Okay.
They're seasoned very nicely.
Yeah.
A little dry, but they're still yummy. Let's try this asparagus. My favorite. That's good. That's good. Let me get down here into the middle part a little bit more and try this one. It's really good. It tastes a little lemon on it.
Yeah, because of the salmon.
Oh, okay. Now let's try this big boy. Here goes the main masterpiece of the meal, salmon. Thank you.
It's good?
It's really good.
Look
The
at
knife to cut
Nice
it.
job, Izzy. Woo!
Hey, thank you for my candy.
Haley, you have to try. It's your turn to try it now. What? You love salmon and asparagus and mashed potatoes. She's
Wait.
never tried any of them. How about you try at least one?
Mommy, I like mashed potato.
Mashed potatoes?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Hey, Izzy, she might like them. Let's see.
I don't want to try yours.
Ah, man. Peace. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, on camera it looks like you're eating them. Oh, she's eating it. Well, this day has flown by. It's already 3:47 and I feel like I haven't accomplished very much. But that's okay. Izzy was able to get some practice in the kitchen and I got a lot of Haley's schoolwork done with her, so that's good. I still have to put away a whole thing of laundry there, and I'm going to take a break and paint my nails right now while I watch some Real Housewives of New York City. So, finished painting my nails, went with this hot pink color. Oh my gosh, my hands need some lotion. It is still snowing outside. Luckily it's not sticking very much. I think it's supposed to start warming up like in the next week, so I will be very happy when I see no more of that. Because I find when I'm able to get outside and just soak in the sunlight, do some yard work, it's therapeutic for me. But when I get out in the cold, it's like I hate having to get all bundled up, and then I get cold weather hives sometimes. So sometimes, like when I would go to Izzy's soccer games, by the end of the soccer game, because it would be so cold outside, I'd have hives all over my body. So I think we just need to move south. Florida, even North Carolina, any of those states that don't have this cold of weather this often. But it's just so hard because we have a lot of family here, a lot of John's family here, and Izzy doesn't want to leave because she doesn't want to start at a new school. And we couldn't even think about doing it anytime in the near future because John has a good job that he loves and I have a great job that I love, so I just have to hang in there. What are you doing? You're still wearing that same shirt?
Yeah.
She's worn this shirt how many days in a row?
Probably a week.
No, not that long. I would not allow that. Probably like 3 days.
4.
I've only 4 days? I've only told her to change it, what, 3 times today? You can do it. Go change it.
No.
Please?
No, I'm gonna see if my LED lights are here.
Wait, is this a spaghetti bowl that's been in here since yesterday? She's so bad about cleaning up after herself, but I don't want to nag and always be like, do this, do that. Sometimes I have to. What are you doing, Haley? You in here laying on the floor? Having some snacks, watching FBGB. What is it, FGTV? It is 4:50. John has been on a conference call for like 2 hours now. So I know when he's done with this, he's gonna be like worn out because anytime he has long meetings, he always doesn't want to talk. He just wants to have a beer and play his video game. So I'm assuming that's what's gonna happen when he's done with this conference call. Okay, so now it's time for me to tackle the dishes. I told Izzy I would put away the dishes for her because it's usually her job. Izzy! Do not drop that. Oh my gosh, she crazy little 12-year-old. Oh my gosh, Izzy. So
Nothing.
I'm going to put away these dishes for her and she's going to entertain Haley.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna role play with her.
But you're not going to role play on
Not
Roblox.
role-playing.
Are you ready to go in the car?
Yeah.
All right, you haven't been outside, well, you haven't been in a car in like over 2 weeks.
Yeah.
It's gonna be strange, huh?
Yeah. I
Plus-
forgot how it feels like.
Plus, it's even stranger, well, I don't know if it's stranger, but it's snowing.
How are we gonna drive?
Well, we can still drive.
Yeah, because of the road.
It's just weird. Mid-April. All right, let's do it.
I don't care if snow gets on. Okay, we're going to McDonald's finally. But what about the coronavirus?
Well, we just can't get close to anybody. We're gonna go through the drive-thru.
But still, we're still gonna get sick
Why?
because we're still gonna be close.
Not that close. That was the trip. We're all done. That's a wrap.
Yep.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
My goodness.
Peace
It's
out.
McDonald's. I got the, oh, it's not grilled. I asked for grilled chicken.
Oh, sorry.
Darn it. Oh well. So this chicken sandwich was a bust. I tried taking off the bread and even the chicken was like chewy and disgusting, so
Because it was fried, so it's
the fried, yeah, it made it tougher. But McDonald's was a fail for me. It was kind of a fail for Haley too, because her toy we can't figure it out. So, but at least you got some chicken nuggets and yogurt and French fries.
We figured it out.
It was-
It's a bracelet.
It's a bracelet. Okay, your toy wasn't a fail.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just had to do something very gross and disgusting. My cat Gary likes to eat tinsel and like the plastic stuff that comes from Easter baskets. So we try to keep it away from him as much as possible, but he must have gotten a hold of a piece because I noticed that he smelled like poop. And I take a gander at his rear end area, and he has a piece of tinsel hanging out his bung hilio. Do you guys know where that comes from? If you know, put it in the comments below. Who said that? What show? I asked my husband if he could do the duty for me and pull it out, and he had a firm no on that one. So I put on my glove and I got it out of there. Luckily it was only a short little piece, but that was so gross. I don't see how veterinarians and vet assistants do the like anal gland what is it called? Anal gland extractions? I don't know what it's called. Where they clean the anal glands on pets, because I almost puked doing that to my cat, and I didn't even have to like squeeze anything. So that was disturbing. But on a better note, I have started setting up Haley's school area. I'm going to spray paint this gold tomorrow, but it's just too late to do that tonight, and it's there's snow outside, so I always like to spray paint outside where there's like good ventilation, and I won't be able to do that today. Hopefully tomorrow all of that snow will be gone. But so yeah, this is what I have set up for her so far. Just little reminders about how her letters go, like how to write her letters, sight words. This is crazy, but this is the Zoom meeting etiquette that her teacher sent to us. Isn't it crazy that they have to have reminders about how to do Zoom chats online? But yeah, so it's a start. I'm not finished. I want to have like sight words in bigger pieces of papers around here, so she's more familiar with them. And yeah, just got my desk over here. That's what I've been up to. So later that night, I ended up painting these steps right here white. It's down in our storage area, and now it's my workout area, but I think it looks so much better, don't you? And I had this cute little kitty to keep me company while I did it.
I think we're gonna end the vlog. No, we're not. I think Mom's gonna say no.
Okay.
We're gonna end the vlog now.
Make sure you comment, subscribe, and like this video.
Okay, bye.